Here we go, look at this 2015 Evoque VF going for 13,995. It was a 16,995 before. We make it special. Good looking car, 3-liter chain drive, tinted windows, got a factory fitted alloys. So 13,995. Financing option also available. Let's go look inside. It's got Bluetooth, reverse camera. Clean and tidy Triptonic transmission. And affordable. So walk in at 717 Great South Road, Papa Toitoi, or go on our website at www.nzcars.org or do an online application if you're looking for a finance, and our finance team will get back to you guys as soon as they can. Thank you.